Try to get that reaction. This is real authentic, man. She looked out for that boy, man. Check them motherfuckers out, man. You know what the fuck we do, man.
Swear to God, I thought you had the wrong fucking number.
Nah, nigga, never.
Right,
And you know you fuck with me, you know what I'm saying? So you know it's love, nigga.
This is the first time I came and ain't dropped a Dagwood.
You understand? You underdig? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Hey, man, one time again, shout out Shauna, man. Appreciate you. Appreciate you.
Shauna.
Shout out Shauna, man. Most definitely.
You are wrong for this. Nigga, what?
Yeah, man. All up, man. Y'all see what's happening, man. Paragamma's gone. My boy didn't know them hoes was coming. Complete surprise from the Westville alumni type shit. All love, man. Looking out. Yeah, man. You know what's up, brother. I told her I was gonna take care of you.
You are too. You are too.
I thought I would take care of you, brother. Yeah,